Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been away for some time, sorry, can't find the time. But I wanted to hop in real quick before my workout. I wanted to show you guys since Gilberto, what happened over the weekend, he fixed my garbage disposal, whatever it's called. He fixed it, so I wanted to organize under the sink and I bought a few things. Oh god. Oh, sorry, I thought it was Nathan. Okay. So I bought a few stuff, and I wanted to set it up real quick under the sink. Let me just check if it's clean, because I don't know. Yeah, so he cleaned it. So I'll turn the camera to show you guys the spot. It's a small spot. It's a, whoops. I can't flip it. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop the video and then edit it or something. So this is under my sink, and this takes a lot of my space. It's my water filter, so we don't have to be buying water bottles or anything like that. And this is my garbage disposer, and those are the filters cartridges that it needs. So this is the spot where I'm going to add like a shelf or organize my under the sink stuff. I'm gonna just clean it up real quick and then I'll hop back on. Okay guys, I'm back. So what I did is I did this. I bought a shelf, as you can see, the white shelf. I had bought two. I bought this one and then I bought a bigger one because I knew the big one wasn't gonna fit, but I want to take the risk because I wanted to fit the biggest one in there. But this one for sure did not fit, so I used the smaller one, which is shorter in length and shorter in width. So like I said, I have a small sink, so I can't fit nothing in there too big. I had initially bought these at Menards, which they were like $2. And I use these actually in my bathroom to organize the bathroom. I like them more because they're bigger and wider and you can fit a lot of things in here. Uh-oh, Nathan's up. But it wouldn't fit. Like, well, I could fit one in the top, but I don't want it for the top. I wanted it for the bottom, but I want to have easy access. So if I put this big one in there, I'm going to be struggling. See, like, I mean, it's okay, but I don't want to be struggling when I'm in a hurry. So I wanted to have the flexibility of it. So wait, let me move this up. Hold on. So this is one of my things. So I had bought, like I said, these brown ones. But for this space, it did not fit. I also bought these cute ones at Menards too. It comes in a package of 3 and they were like $13, $14. And I like the size of them. But again, it's too wide for it and it won't close my cabinets, or I don't know. And I want them to all match. So I didn't want to use these yet. So then I also went to the dollar store and they have black, brown. They had a red, I think. I don't know. They had a ton, but I'm like, I don't want to keep it neutral. Just buy the black ones. And I bought, they were all $1. They have this size. They have a deeper one. They have these skinnier ones. And they also, I think that's are all I bought. Yep. Oops, sorry, buddy. And so basically, what I did, so I put the shelf in here, as you can see. I also have, so my soap dispenser's in here as well. I'm trying to figure out where it is. Gilberto's the one that usually pumps it, like fills it up for me. So I just don't want to block him away from, I don't know where it is, but, so this is the shelf. I'm going to leave it like that. I have a small one. I included a small little, thing. I just like everything in like little bins because it keeps things more organized. These are going to be my kitchen towels. I thought about putting them somewhere else, but for now I'm gonna leave them here. I'm just a little iffy because under the sink it's a, you know, you never know, a leak or something. And these are like my kitchen towels that I put on my stove to wash my hands. So maybe I'm gonna switch the spot for these guys, but for now I'm gonna leave them right there. I also need to do laundry, so I don't have my other cleaning racks that I normally clean my counters with, but I use the soft ones to clean the stainless steel appliances. So I also added a bin for that. I could actually, I'm just gonna leave 2, because if I add the 3rd one, I have to be like pulling it out, and I don't want to do that, you know. I just have space for 2, unfortunately. And then all my big bottles are gonna have to go somewhere else, like in my basement or somewhere like a shelf where I include all of my my cleaning stuff, because it's too big and there's things that I don't use every day. Here I'm gonna include, I'm thinking about the Murphys, maybe I'll add it downstairs too. I just want to keep things under my sink that that I use more often, you know, like the Ajax, like I clean my sink with that. I have my counter cleaner. I have my my granite, if I clean it here and there, you know. I don't do it every day, but still small little things that I could fit under the sink. This is another dish soap that I like to use. It smells like roses, really good. My Windex, because sometimes I do the stainless steel, even though I have my stainless steel cleaner, but sometimes I like to use that for the window that I have also. And then I have some gloves, because sometimes we use gloves to clean stuff. So this one, I'm gonna leave it there, so it's on top, and then I have that organized. And I also need to restock on my what do you call these sacates? What do you call this? Whatever, scrubs. So I have my heavy duty ones, I have my stainless steel one, and then I have to restock. So here will be all my sponges. That's what it is, sponges. Aquí van estas in the big one. And so that's how I organize my, and I picked it deep because some of them are going to be bigger, like the packages, or I know that I buy in bulk most of the time, and they're going to be pretty big. If I buy the big bulk ones, then I'll fill up as much as I can here, and then I'll put everything else like in a closet where I restock my stuff, because I like buying stuff in bulk. But right now we're running low on a lot of stuff, and I gotta do laundry. But this is how it looks. I should have showed you guys before how it was looking. It was a mess. It just keeps things more organized when you buy bins, and I don't know. Maybe I will keep a smaller one so it matches that size. What do you guys think? I might keep a small one in there and then just keep my sponges up there. But who knows? Wait, is this shorter? Maybe it is shorter. Maybe it's better to keep that one. We'll see. But anyways, for now I'm gonna keep that one. And yeah, this is a good hacky way of like keeping stuff organized with bins. Like I said, these are like literally $1. This was like, I think like $6, I think. The shelf was $6, $7, $8, $9, $10. There goes $10. And you organize your shelf underneath your sink just with like $10, you know, or 15 tops, you know. If you have more space, you could use the bigger shelf. And I think it's almost about the same price, just like $1 or so more. I think in the bathroom I do have the big one. I'll make another video for the bathroom one. But I gotta go because Nathan is starting to cry. So yeah. Like I said, cheap. Keeps trash bins, keeping organized, and keeps yourself really organized with the bins. So until next time, bye. So I wanted to show you guys what I did in the bathroom. I did this a couple months ago, maybe. So this is the bathroom. This is under my sink. I have a folding tub for the baby. I have some other bins there that I used to bathe them in. I have my Lysol, some extra. I usually keep one under the sink and one above, like by the toilet. And all my other ones that I have, because I do have like a bunch in my other closet where I keep all my supplies. And then I have my cotton swabs there, my cotton balls, and some extra Kleenex. Of course, all this stuff I have it organized above my sink also, but I have extra toilet paper in one of these. I have some like Windex that I use and cleaning supplies that I use for the bathroom. I have extra soap in one of these bins. I started buying a ton of soap, and I have still more in my closet because I was like, when I was pregnant with Nathan, he was just I would get nauseous. Whoops, sorry. I got Nathan with me. He would get so nauseous. Look at me. I would get so nauseous. He's looking at me like, what are you talking about, Mama? Yeah, I would get so nauseous when I was pregnant, so I kept switching soaps to find the right one. So I have a ton and different brands and everything, but nothing worked. So in one of them I have that, and then in the other one I would have like extra toothpaste and toothbrushes, but they're all gone because everybody's been using them. So I have to restock on that too. But that's pretty much how organized I keep my bathroom. And it really does work. I don't have to be, you know, where everything's a mess and you don't know where things are. Just makes it so much simpler. So that's why I did the kitchen now, even though my kitchen under the sink is so much smaller. But yeah, so hope you liked the video. Bye until next time. Say bye, Nathan. Say